I'm using virtual instruments called SWAM, SWAM, SWAM Instruments. And so I've got like 4 different ones that I've got right here. And you can control different things with this, like you can bite it, you can tilt from left to right, you can nod up and down, and you can blow. We got like it's pretty crazy, right? I mean, the sounds are insane, aren't they? They really are. I mean, what makes the difference is there's parameters called the flutter tongue, the growl, of course that waver, the tremolo. Is that what it's called? I forget what it's called. The vibrato. But then there's also just the expression. The wind expression is so significant because you can pair keyboards with like expression pedals, and you can try to get that sense of expression.